Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're new, my name is Carolyn and we're so glad you stopped by. Today is Doug's birthday and I always make him a peanut butter pie. I've got another video on this, but thought you all want to come along and make a pie with me. This is one of the easiest pies to make. We used to make it at a restaurant or a deli that I worked at years ago. And all you'll need is 1 graham cracker crust, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip or whipped cream, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. All you need to do, I'm using my KitchenAid mixer. If you have a hand mixer, you could use it. Or if you've got enough strength in your hands, you could do it by hand too, I'm sure. Okay. Want to add the cream cheese, powdered sugar. Don't drop it. You're just going to mix this together till it's creamy and all the cream cheese is incorporated in the powdered sugar. I'm just going to scrape down the sides, make sure all the powdered sugar is mixed in. Next, you'll want to add the 1 cup of peanut butter. And mix it until it's creamed together too. Just want to scrape your sides. And then mix it again until everything's incorporated. Now you'll just want to add in your Cool Whip. Just keep scraping the bowl down until everything's mixed in. And now all we do is put the mixture into the pie shell. Now you just stick this in the refrigerator and let it set, and he'll enjoy a peanut butter pie for his birthday. If y'all would, just wish him a happy birthday. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.